Hey, West Tennessee Chief Meteorologist Tom Miners here, taking a quick look at the forecast for the rest of this Saturday, November 30th. We've been talking all week about how we might end the month with some strong thunderstorms, and the threat for severe weather is now looking a little bit higher than it did earlier this week for today. So what we're going to start out with is just looking at WBBJTV.com. I really think that this is your best resource for being able to track the storms and see the very latest alerts. But of course, having the app is great too, because that's where you're going to get those alerts from us in the Weather Center about when a watch is issued for the area. And then of course we'll point you to looking at our live stream if there's severe weather coming before our newscast tonight, or of course the newscast at 6 o'clock on this Saturday. Here's a look at the Storm Tracker 7 Max radar. Already have some strong thunderstorms moving into parts of Crockett County, northern Haywood County. Those are not severe at the moment, but they are producing heavy downpours and some frequent lightning. In fact, just walking the dog this afternoon, or this morning rather, I noticed quite a bit of thunder out in the distance. But that's not expected to be severe. None of those showers, as we put this in motion here, are expected to cause any major concerns for us. Just a bit of an inconvenience if you're doing any shopping out there this afternoon. Here's what we are watching. That out there to our west is the front. You can see it stretching across parts of Arkansas, approaching Little Rock now, but mostly towards parts of Batesville, Pocahontas, and other parts of northern Arkansas first. And that's going to be what causes our more concerning weather for the rest of the afternoon. You'll notice the hour-by-hour forecast shows that the chances for thunderstorms are looking highest between 3 and about 7 p.m. tonight. So between 3 and 7 is when our main threat for severe weather takes place. There's your hunting forecast. That was for this morning, and that'll be updated for tomorrow morning, coming up later this afternoon. But that chance for rain, 7-day forecast, again, they're all there. Again, the chance for rain, I think we have to update that. But otherwise, you're going to see more important information here on the severe weather category. Here's our risk for today. We're under a slight risk for severe weather. That's a level 2 out of 5. And overall, the concerns are for damaging winds and large hail, but tornadoes can't be ruled out. Most of our viewing areas in a 2 to 5% risk for a tornado within 25 miles of a point of those different categories you see for West Tennessee. Damaging winds and large hail, both about a 15% chance for that within 25 miles of a point in those areas you can see highlighted in yellow. And again, the risk for severe weather tomorrow goes away completely. So we're done, at least with this tonight. That's a loop showing this first round coming in. Again, we're more concerned with what's going to happen later on in the afternoon. Our best window of opportunity, again, is pretty much from 3 till 7 o'clock, maybe a little bit later for parts of West Tennessee near the Tennessee River, but that is what we're looking at right now. It's those that window when this line of thunderstorms is going to finally be making its way into West Tennessee, and that's where we're basically expecting the potential for 1 or 2 thunderstorms to produce damaging winds with large hail, and there's a small but still present threat for an isolated tornado. So coming up on WBBJ, of course, meteorologist Corrales Ortiz and possibly also myself will be tracking these thunderstorms at 6 o'clock. But we are ultimately going to be, of course, keeping a very close watch on these things throughout the rest of the morning and afternoon, updating storm team weather, different social media outlets, whether that be on Facebook, Twitter, and of course right here on our website at WBBJTV.com/weather. We'll keep you posted. Go ahead and send in your questions, and we'll do our best to get back to you.